He would later describe his time at Oxford as the true beginning of his career in neuroscience. After completing his Doctor of Philosophy at Oxford, Eccles returned to Australia and began a series of academic appointments. In the 1930s, he served as a lecturer and researcher at the University of Sydney, and later as a senior research officer at the Kanematsu Institute of Pathology. During this period, he became engrossed in the question of how nerve cells communicate. Initially, Eccles was a strong proponent of the idea that synaptic transmission, the way neurons communicate with one another, was purely electrical. This set him at odds with growing evidence that suggested a chemical basis for synaptic activity. Despite being on the wrong side of the debate early on, Eccles's willingness to adapt and revise his views would become one of his defining traits as a scientist. As new techniques emerged and data accumulated, he shifted his perspective and eventually became one of the leading figures proving the chemical nature of synapses. Some synapses were excitatory, promoting the firing of a neuron, while others were inhibitory, suppressing activity. In recognition of this work, Eccles was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1963, which he shared with Alan Hodgkin and Andrew Huxley, whose own work had clarified the electrical properties of the action potential. The Nobel Committee cited Eccles for discoveries concerning the ionic mechanisms involved in excitation and inhibition in the peripheral and central portions of the nerve cell membrane.